SMSL has released a new amplifier to go along with their raw DAC1 that I just talked about. Now, this amplifier model is the raw HA1. It is quite powerful. It is $250. That's the price tag. They made it so that it partners with that DAC specifically. They took that. In fact, you should buy the two together, which is good. I think a lot of people should go with this setup. Now, the reality is that this amplifier is very much versatile in terms of what it can do, because it can run IEMs, as well as the fact that it can work on its own. Now, this amplifier is not just an amplifier on its own. It does have a lot of other things it supports. For instance, it had Bluetooth support inside. It has LDAC support. It has an aluminum chassis, and it supports MQA. It supports MQA format, which is quite nice. It's literally a power amplifier, but it still has a DAC inside. But the DAC it has is a Cirrus Logic DAC. Is the Cirrus CS 43131. It's not the best chipset like their maybe their dedicated DAC that I just talked about, which is the raw DAC1, but this is still decent considering the fact that you can use this on its own. It has new digital high power amplifier chip in it, low power energy consumption. It can work with your speakers if you want it to work with your speakers. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. I think a lot of people will like this. The fact that it supports MQA, which is good, and high-res audio is easy to pass through with this particular new release. It also has DSD support, but it supports only DSD256. But this is a very nice new unit. Even if you don't want to buy their DAC, their new raw DAC1, you can just buy only this and you're good to go. You're good to go. It has a DAC chipset inside. It's not on the same level as the AKM flagship level chipsets that is in the raw DAC1, but this is still good enough. It comes with Bluetooth 5.1, supports LDAC, aptX HD, regular aptX. It's just good in many regard, and it should work with a lot of stuff out there. For instance, it does have it does have enough power to run most, and I use the word most, but most loudspeakers. It can deliver 165 watts into two channels for 4-ohm load speakers. If you have 8 ohms speakers, it can deliver 85 watts into two channels, which is good. That's very good. I think a lot of people will like this new release in many respects. So I'll drop details for you guys down below if you're interested in getting your hands on the brand new SMSL Raw HA1. So do check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.